Have you ever loved someone so much that saying goodbye breaks your heart? 10 years ago, my life changed on a rainy night in Bangkok. I found a tiny, wet puppy under a small box. He was so scared. I took him home, dried his fur, and named him Lhong. He became my family. Lhong was very playful. He loved chewing my books. Time passed quickly and we grew up together, day by day. We went everywhere together. We rode a tuk-tuk and ran around the big park. Lhong loved shopping at the street market because he absolutely loved the smell of Thai grilled pork. We splashed water during Songkran and took a long-tail boat on the river. On rainy days, we waited at the bus stop. On beautiful nights, we floated a krathong together. We laughed every day. Lhong even chased geckos on the wall and celebrated his birthdays with me. And when I had a bad day and cried, Lhong always sat next to me and licked my tears away. But dogs grow old faster than humans. One day, I saw gray fur on his face. He started to walk very slowly. The doctor said he was very sick. I tried my best to take care of him every single day. I stayed by his side all night. When he became very weak, I knew it was time for our last journey. I took him to the beach to see the ocean one last time. We sat on the warm sand watching the beautiful sunset together. Then he closed his eyes and went to sleep forever. My heart was broken, but he looked so peaceful. I looked up at the stars and said, "Thank you, Lhong. Thank you for coming into my life and giving me 10 years of pure happiness." Now my house is very quiet, and when I look at his photos, although I still cry and miss him so much, but Lhong taught me to be happy with the present moment, just like he was for his whole life. Because love never really goes away. It stays in our hearts forever. Thank you for teaching me how to love the present moment. If anyone is feeling sad about a loss like me, I want to send you my love and support. And if this story touched your heart, please subscribe for more journeys.